Let's start by unpacking the contents of your tuning lights, including accessories and tools. Be sure to read all the instructions of the user manual before you start with the installation. Now select a location for your LEDambient Tuning Lights Connect. Be sure to choose a central location to mount the control module in your vehicle, one that you'll be able to route all the cables to. It's always a good idea to assemble your components for a trial run to make sure everything fits the way you want it to. Use the splitter from the control box if you need it for your layout. Now that you've planned your layout and everything is working, you're ready to mount it. It's important to make sure all the mounting surfaces are clean. Use the alcohol wipe included in the kit to clean the attachment area and make sure it's completely dry. Connect the cables to your LED strips. Be sure to connect the strips aligning the plus and the arrow symbol. Then press a piece of tape across the 4-pin connectors to make sure the connectors stay in place. Now position the LED strips. Applying a light pressure for 20 seconds will improve the adhesive's bonding strength. The control box can be mounted out of sight. Secure the control box. Connect the cables as shown before. Hide the wires as you run them through. Then plug the power cable in the cigarette lighter receptacle or 12-volt accessory jack. Advanced users can hardwire into the car's electrical system. Test your tuning lights with the downloaded app and check whether functions run smoothly. Turn on your tuning lights and try it together with your app. Here you can see the LEDambient Connect products in a combined setup. The Pulse Connect on the headlights, the Hybrid Connect in the fog lights and the Tuning Lights Connect in the interior compartment.